Have you ever wondered why some vegetables thrive while others struggle in your garden, even when you water and care for them the same way? Well, the secret might be beneath your feet. It's the soil. In this video, you'll learn which type of soil is best for each kind of vegetable, how to improve your garden soil, and what to avoid for better harvests. Let's dig into the dirt, literally. 4 main types of soil affect vegetable growth. Sandy soil. Drains quickly, warms up fast, but doesn't hold nutrients well. Clay soil. Holds moisture and nutrients, but drains poorly and can get compacted. Loamy soil. The gold standard. Balanced texture, great drainage, and nutrient-rich. Silty soil. Fertile and retains moisture well, but can become compacted. Each soil type has its strengths and weaknesses, and some vegetables love them just as they are. Sandy soil is great for early crops because it warms quickly and drains well. Best vegetables for sandy soil. Carrots. Loose soil helps roots grow straight. Radishes. Fast-growing and love airy soil. Potatoes. Avoid rot with good drainage. Lettuce. Thrives with quick root development. Zucchini. Strong root system, does well in sandy beds. Mix in compost to add nutrients and retain moisture. Clay soil is nutrient-dense, but can hold too much water. Best vegetables for clay soil. Broccoli, heavy feeder that loves rich soil. Cabbage, can anchor in dense soil. Brussels sprouts, thrives in cool, compact environments. Pumpkins, love moisture retention. Beans, fix nitrogen and help clay soil structure. Add gypsum or organic matter like compost to improve texture and drainage. Loamy soil is the perfect balance of sand, silt, and clay. Most vegetables grow best here. Best vegetables for loamy soil. Honestly, almost all. Tomatoes, peppers, spinach, kale, onions, beets, cucumbers. Just maintain with compost and crop rotation. Silty soil retains moisture and nutrients, but can compact. Best vegetables for silty soil. Celery. Loves consistent moisture. Onions. Do well in soft, moist soil. Chard. Nutrient-hungry. Leafy green. Peas. Like cool, moist conditions. Turnips. Enjoy fertile, fine soil. Add organic matter to improve structure and reduce compaction. Soil pH affects nutrient availability. Acidic soil lovers. pH 5.5, 6.5. Potatoes. Sweet potatoes. Blueberries. Neutral to slightly alkaline pH 6.5, 7.5. Beans. Lettuce. Peas. Spinach. Cucumbers. Use a soil test kit to check pH and adjust using lime to raise or sulfur to lower. No matter your soil type, you can improve it. Add compost, boosts structure and nutrients. Use cover crops like clover or rye to fix nitrogen. Apply mulch, helps retain moisture and reduce weeds. Rotate crops to maintain balance and avoid soil fatigue. Raise beds and containers for better control. Quick vegetable to soil matching table. Vegetable best soil type. Carrots, sandy. Broccoli, clay or loamy. Tomatoes, loamy. Celery, silty. Potatoes, sandy or slightly acidic. Spinach, loamy. Peas, silty or loamy. Now you know. The right soil means healthier plants, fewer pests, and more harvest. Which soil type do you have in your garden? Comment below. I'd love to help you figure it out.